Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning, good evening to wherever you guys are. We got a huge video to talk about today. We're going to see, and I think that we're going to see that the Bitcoin price is going to absolutely skyrocket soon, guys. We're seeing a lot of bullish information. We're seeing that Bitcoin's hit the golden pocket. We're seeing a whole bunch of indicators that shows that Bitcoin is about to leg up to the next level. We could see 40, 50, 60, 70% increase in the Bitcoin price, and some people even saying Kara Wood is saying we could see 1,000% increase from here, guys. So we're going to jump into that. So let's get it, guys. We've got a lot of on-chain data that supports this. We're seeing that the miners' difficulty hash rate is highest it's ever been, guys. And last time we saw it like this was back in April when we had this huge rally to the top side right now. So we're seeing the fear and greed index right now has come up a lot from where it was yesterday. So the market sentiment is about to turn, guys. And when the market sentiment turns, you know what that means? That we're going to see boom chakalaka. We're going to see Bitcoin going up. We're going to see Ethereum going up. Right now, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance to come down before we can see the altcoins start to go crazy in the membrane, guys. But we are seeing some positive news. We're seeing a lot of the metaverse and gaming tokens have exploded overnight, so that's pretty good, guys. And yesterday I did talk about gaming tokens in one of my videos, so guys, jump on in, go back and watch that, guys. It's a huge, cool video. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. So we can see that Bitcoin price right now on the weekly, it's now trading at 49,457. So it looks like Bitcoin is getting on up, guys, and it looks like we could start to see maybe printing a green day finally after all these Debbie Downer days. So it looks like December the 12th could be the turnaround point that we've all been looking for. And remember, it's Sunday here in Vietnam, and it's Sunday morning in other parts of the world, and Saturday evening in the U.S., guys. So it's a great time to be alive, and we're seeing that we could start to see maybe perhaps even a green candle this week. We got about 22 hours left in this Bitcoin weekly closeout on this candle, and we're seeing right now that this candle is just turning green. We're still below the 21-day EMA, but I believe that if we look at the on-chain fundamentals for Bitcoin right now, we're seeing that the amount of supply on exchanges is at a 3-year low, guys, and I believe that all of this Debbie Downer, the low prices, has all been artificial manipulation. And I believe that now the billionaires, the whales, and the manipulators out there, they have decided that it is now time to let the Bitcoin fly, guys. And we're going to see that, every time that Bitcoin hits this golden pocket of this 0.65 Fibonacci level in previous years, Bitcoin always has a run to the upside. So there's a lot of on-chain data that's coming out right now that's showing that Bitcoin is about to bubble up, about to explode, and we could have a blow-off top at $150,000, $200,000 in the house. And if Kara Wood gets what she wants, she could be seeing a $500,000 Bitcoin from here. That would be about $1,000. So we're gonna jump into her interview on the Squawk Box in a second, guys. So you guys have to buckle up and stay tuned, guys. So that's cool news, guys. And some of the on-chain we're seeing right now, we're seeing that the hash rate, the total hash rate right now for the miners is, it's at the highest point of the year, guys. And this is very bullish. This is absolutely bullish. It means that more people are mining the Bitcoin. And the last time we saw these kind of levels was back in April, May, when we had this huge, all-time high when we went up to 65,000. So we're seeing this repeating itself. So a lot of data is pointing to the fact that we could see a huge meteoric rise in the Bitcoin price. So we're seeing that this is a blow-off top theory, and this is a theory here on the left side. And we're seeing that, Bitcoin has gone through all these patterns. We had the Twin Peaks here. We had the basement bear trap. This was this is when we broke down after the all-time highs, and we kind of just went sideways, Debbie Downer, and a lot of people are in the panic zone. This was like June, July, and then August we kind of finally broke out. Then October we went up, and November we went up, and then we had this huge capitulation, this whole liquidity crash, and we got rid of all the leverage longs, and now most of the trading right now in Bitcoin is on spot trading, which is healthy for the market. So based on this this whole blow off top theory, we should be looking at going up very soon. Let me just make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it in the house. So based on this whole theory right now, we're about here, and we could see our next leg at about like 100,000, and then we could see the blow off top around about $127,000. And then after that, we're going to have a huge dump down to about 86, a little bit of a fake out back up to about 100K, and then that's it, guys. We could be seeing ourselves going down to $34,000 in the house. So this is not this is a very realistic scenario in my mind for Bitcoin, and you could probably expect that most altcoins will probably take that trajectory as well. So you'll probably see that once Bitcoin hits this 127,000, starts this drop, that's when we could see the altcoins start to absolutely fly and explode, guys. So this is looking like it's going to happen like in February. So hold on to your seats, buckle up. We could be seeing the top of the tops coming in February, guys. So this is not financial advice. Remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is just the OG expressing his opinion. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. And if you have not smashed the likes, get on down there, smash the likes. What are you all waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and guys and gals, if you're not a member, giddy on up, become a member. What are you waiting for? Christmas? Come on, get it. You want it. Some other stuff that's coming out right now, you can see here that we can see that there's, if you look at 2013 and 2017 in terms of the whole cycle here, we can see that 2021 and 17 and 13 the same, and the only thing that we haven't hit right now is the top of this logarithmic pattern here, and it's not happening, and I believe that it is going to happen, but the top of this cycle has only been delayed, and I believe that now. I'm starting to believe that because we have the liquid supply on exchanges at lows. We have the Bitcoin miner hash rate is at the highest, the same level as it was back in April when we had this all-time highs. So I think that we're absolutely going to see a new all-time high coming in, and this all-time high could take us over $100,000. So some people are saying 200, some people are saying 98. Gary Wood in the house is saying $500,000. Come on, Gary. Whatever Kool-Aid you're drinking, well, we want some. So but she's got some underlying reason for this thesis. We're going to jump into that. So we could be seeing that the all-time high for the biddy is not in yet, and that's absolutely going to happen, guys. So I just think that this whole the bull run for Bitcoin is not over. The bull run is not over, and it's just being delayed, guys. So I think we're going to see an explosive move very soon. The crypto Bitcoin explosive move is coming soon, guys. Smash the likes. What are you waiting for? Get it. And if you're watching in the live stream and you got a question, don't forget to give me a super chat. That'll draw my attention into your question, guys. And once again, we're seeing the same kind of cycle here. Every time that Bitcoin hits the golden pocket in 2013, 2017, we often see a huge parabolic rise of in excess of 100 to 150%. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin yesterday just hit the 0.65 Fibonacci level, which is the golden pocket, guys. We saw that, and actually right now we are actually seeing a bounce, guys. We are seeing a bounce from the golden pocket area, and this is good news, and this is more confirmation that we're going to see a huge bounce for Bitcoin. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Buckle up, and get on your spacesuits, because we're going to the moon, guys. Bitcoin's going to the moon, and and I know when Bitcoin makes a move, we're going to get the Doge in the house is going to make some moves, because Doge will be looking like a sad little pup, and we need to get him moving on up to the right side, guys. So let's jump into some news right now. So we can see here that Carrie Wood right now is looking at Carrie Wood is saying that Bitcoin could explode 1,000%, and she's saying that Bitcoin could hit $500,000, and and what would trigger that is if institutions basically jumped in and put in 5% of their capital into Bitcoin. This could absolutely create a huge parabolic rise for the Bitcoin price. So let's jump into it right now. Let's jump into it. And this is Squawk Box and Kathy Wood. Let's see what she's got to say.
Let me ask you about crypto. which there's a piece out. I think maybe CNBC even talked to money managers, and that is ripe.
So Carrie's going to give her opinion.
75% of those polled, that's ripe for a major correction or a major letting out of a lot of air in that sector. Does that sound like consensus, something to go the other way on to you?
So she's talking about crypto market sector.
Well, yes, I believe it is. I think institutions are moving in. And right now, crypto of any sort, they're starting with Bitcoin and Ether. Crypto of any sort is a de minimis amount or percentage of institutional portfolios.
So what she's talking about is she's talking about institutional adoption of crypto, and that she believes that institutions will ape into crypto. And, let's continue watching.
The reason institutions are moving in is, to some extent, this is a new asset class with correlations very different compared to other asset classes. In fact, Yassine Almandra did a study on this and found that the closest, and we did it with Bitcoin, the closest correlation to other assets was real estate. And so institutional managers have to look at new asset classes that are evolving that have low correlations.
So Kathy is basically saying that Bitcoin is a new asset class, and that it is very similar in terms of its asset class, like real estate. Okay.
That's the key to diversification, and it's the holy grail in terms of asset allocation. So we think that the move actually by institutions into Bitcoin, if we were to choose Bitcoin, and that seems to be their first stop, could add $500,000 to Bitcoin's price if they moved into the tune of roughly 5% over time.
So basically what Carrie is saying is that if institutions basically aped into this new asset class called crypto, and they aped in about 5% of their total allocation into crypto and Bitcoin, we could see that Bitcoin could go up to 500,000. So this is bullish news, guys. This is bullish news. We don't know when. We absolutely do not know when institutions are going to ape in at that level. But definitely by the next cycle, we could definitely be seeing that. And then this is more confirmation that, the biddy price is going to go up, guys, because institutions are seeing it as a new asset class, and they're liking it onto real estate. And it's also got this deflationary good hedge against inflation. So this is huge news, absolutely bullish news, guys. Let's get it. So some other news that's coming out right now, we can see that Shiba Inu rival Dogecoin hits the top 8 of the most popular coins among BSC whales. So if we talk about the Binance blockchain, a lot of people on the Binance blockchain are aping in to Dogecoin. However, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now, according to data by TradingView, Dogecoin performance was far from being profitable for any of its holders or investors. In the last month, the meme coin endorsed by the Elon Musk that has zero effect on the Dogecoin price has basically lost 40% of its value, guys. So like I said, we're seeing the Dozier Wozier. It's not going down, guys. It's just forming this whole pattern here, and basically Dogecoin is in a holding pattern at around 16.8 to 17 cents, and we're really waiting for the Bitcoin price to start to take off. And when the Bitcoin price takes off, we're going to see that Dogecoin will easily get back up to 30 cents. We've seen that a number of times. We've seen it here. We've seen it like a ton of times back in August. And, we're all waiting for confirmation from Bitcoin to make a move. But right now we're seeing that Doge is up like 1.69%. So that's pretty bullish in the house, guys. So don't discount the Doge. Doge is still, on moves and on par to make some moves, guys. So this is really interesting news in the house. So we have the Shiba Inu whale transfers almost 500 million worth of tokens from his current wallet to a new wallet. And there's some speculation, who could this be? Could it be an exchange, guys? So the wallet, and this wallet is called the Hulk wallet. The Hulk wallet. Let's get married to Hulk. It's just transferred, like 13 billion SHIB, and that's about like 473 million to Hulk wallet 2. So there's been no price impact right now, but everybody's wondering who this is. Could it be an exchange, guys? So this is kind of cool information. But until we get some validation of who this is, it's going to be a nothing burger on the price. But at least we still see that whales are holding their Shiba Inu, and they're not dumping it, not selling. And there's a big Shiba Inu burn coming. So also, some institutional investors are expecting major correction in crypto market next year. This could happen, but remember, next year, late next year, we're going to be the end of the bull run, and it's very normal to have a crypto correction when we enter the bear cycle, and this is part of the 4-year cycle. So I really wouldn't worry about that too much in the house right now, guys. And also, the survey says that this country has just beat the U.S. to be the top crypto economy in Q4 2021. So it looks like Singapore right now is the top cryptocurrency country on the world. They have very low taxes on crypto. Also, they have very good crypto regulation, and they're also adopting the blockchain technology. And Singapore could be one of the first Asian countries to roll out its CBDC after China. So this is really bullish news. And luckily Vietnam is very close to Singapore, so this is very cool, guys, and this is a way to avoid taxes. Also, Dubai in the house is also a crypto-friendly country, and the taxes are very low. That's why we see a whole bunch of crypto millionaires over in Dubai. So, one of the things that the OG's been thinking about is maybe giddying up and getting over to Dubai as well, because we see a lot of crypto millionaires over there. So that's cool beans in the house, guys. So let's jump into the Dogecoin price here right now. And Dogecoin, as we speak right now, is at 16.83 as we showed in the other chart. It's still just waiting for confirmation. It's waiting in the wings for the Bitcoin to start taking off before we make any moves. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the price house right now. So Shiba Inu has just been going sideways every day, and we're still at this 33. We haven't really moved anywhere in the last 4 days. We do have some buying indicators here, but this has more or less been stimulated a little bit on the news. But basically, this is because of Bitcoin's price a leg up, guys and gals. So all we can do, guys, is for Dogecoin, for Shiba Inu, we just got to be in a waiting mode. I mean, we had this Flexa, Bitstamp, BitPay. We've had all of these positive catalysts for Shiba Inu, but it really has not moved the needle in terms of price, and it's just going sideways, guys. It's just going sideways. I'm sorry, that's what it is. I can't say that everything's looking good and everything's looking fantastic, rainbows and unicorns. No, it's not looking like rainbows and unicorns, because we need this big boy to get moving. Until the Bitcoin gets moving, we're not going to see much of anything happen in terms of altcoins. It's just kind of flatline going in the doldrums, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the Ethereum price right now, and let's get it, guys. So we're seeing that Ethereum right now is still exactly where it was yesterday when I closed my computer, and it's just above 4,000, guys. Come on Ethereum. But everybody's just in the holding pattern, waiting for the Bitcoin price to make some moves. If we look at sorry about the message, George. If we look at Solana in the house, Solana right now is $169, and it's just at the resistance level of 170 right now. And it's, once again, we're waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, and that's why we're seeing most of the altcoins are still just going sideways, and it's just kind of like down, down. And right now, Matic is up slightly compared to where it was at yesterday's low. Yesterday's low, we hit almost $2. We're now at $2.11, so that's pretty bullish in the house. And right now, Matic has been ranging between 208 and 215, and right now we are at 211. So, and right now the indicators for Matic are saying it's a buy, guys. It's a buy. It's time to buy. So, guys and gals, let's jump into the market cap right now. So we're seeing that the market cap has gone up. It's at 229 trillion. It's gone up almost 3 trillion since yesterday. But the volumes are low. The volumes are extremely low, guys. Smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to give a super chat in the house. Support the channel. Seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is just kind of flatlined at 40. And let's see what's going on. I mean, Asia is just waking up. See if we can pick up some more volume in the house, guys. And I know that people in America are probably settling in, watching a movie, having a din-din. So, guys and gals, let's take a look at the coinage in the house right now. So we're seeing some positive signs of life out there. So we're seeing that the BITI's up 2.41%, so that's good, and it's at 29,272. We're seeing that Ethereum is up 1.68, but it's still way off its previous 4,300, 4,400 level. And BNB is slightly up at 562, and Solana is up 1.7%, but it's still at 169. I still think this is a good buy. Wow, look at the ADA is up right now. It's $1.39. I'm a buyer at $1. I've kind of dumped all my ADA. I kind of got tired and sick of it. It's just like nothing was happening for almost like 3 months. DOT is down again. It's at 27.76, and DOT was doing pretty good. It was outperforming the market yesterday, so people are taking a little bit of profits on the DOT. And we're seeing that Ethereum, Dogecoin right now is up 1.19%. And that's almost at 17 cents. Now Luna has dropped down right now, and it's at $58.47, and that's now at it's down 5.9%. Avalanche is up 6%. Thank goodness for that, and it's at 84.79. The Shiba is now up 1.79%. It's at 35. Matic is also up right now 2%. CRO coin is up as well. So we're seeing a lot of green today. So finally we're seeing some green in the house, guys. So that's about it for today, and I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Join the fun club. Follow me on Twitter right now. Do it, get it. And we got 3,430 followers. You know you want it. And don't forget to go down there, check the linky winkies. Guys, buy the channel a coffee. Please do that right now. Support the channel. Do it. If you're not watching in a live stream, you can support the channel by buying a coffee for the channel. And remember, all the coffees, all the Patreons, all the merch, all the super chats, it all goes to charity, guys. So we're going to be having a huge charity video sometime end of the month, early January, and we're going to get that out too, so you guys are going to love it. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Don't forget to get the love mug, the mug. And we got the backpackety pack. We got the pillow willows. So guys and gals, merch up, gear up with OG gear. And don't forget, we got other stuff. We got our Week 19 collection. We got hats, hoodies, t-shirts, jackets, all sorts of cool stuff, guys. And don't forget to jump on over to the Wifey channel. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So get it, guys. What are you waiting for? And subscribe, YB over there, guys. So peace out. All the best. Great love. God bless you all. Be well, guys. I'll see you in the next one in a couple hours, and if anything breaks, but it looks like the markets are turning positive right now, so things are looking very bullish for Bitcoin right now. So guys, this could be the beginning. This could be the beginning. This could absolutely be the beginning of something fantastic, guys. We could be seeing huge breakout for Bitcoin. So let's get it, guys. I love it. You love it. Woo!